There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
Hey y'all, so I am about to put together this shelf that I got from Five Below. If you watched my Five Below haul the other day, you will see I bought a shelf, organized shelf that I'm gonna put my shoes on. So, y'all, we'll see how we put this together.
Good day to you, man.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can long, can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my streets. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be.
Alright. We got it, y'all. We got it done, y'all. Look at this little thing. I can put two pair up here and two down here. It says I could buy another one and make it stackable, so then I can have another set under here, which is what I will probably do. So that's it.
How far we've traveled, little brother.
Alright, y'all, we got it together. So now I'm going to go straight in my closet a little bit because I can't even get inside to get to my clothes. I can't step inside. I got stuff all over. So let's go organize it a tad bit. Not completely, just a tad bit, because I ain't gonna be on this all night. So just enough so I can get in there and get to my clothes. Alright, but here's the little show. We got it together. Alright, all that, y'all, and it took how long? 26 minutes. 26 minutes to do this little show. 2-tier show. Alright, anyways, we got it, y'all. Let's get to this closet. All right, y'all. So the closet is behind me. As you can see, I store stuff at the top there, and there's my clothes. The bottom, the whole thing is stuff with stuff, all right? But the bottom part is where I really need to clean because I can't even get to my clothes hanging up. I can't hang my clothes up. I can't get the clothes out because I got stuff all at the bottom. I know I'm very embarrassed to even show it, but hey, I have it organized. I organize this thing. I always end up decluttering it to where, you know, it's neat. It's always cluttered, but it's like organized in there. But I always get to where stuff start falling. This would be in the way. I have to get to something that's underneath something and everything else falls off, and I'll be like in a rush and I don't have time to pick it up. And then days pass, I'll be in rush again, and stuff just keep staying there and getting on top of each other. I have to dig something else out to get to some shoes. Anyways, let me show y'all the mess, and I'm finna start straightening it up so I can walk to my clothes. Y'all, look at this mess. All right, so here it is. The top part, that stuff stays up there. I have those boxes and stuff stored up there, photo albums. Then my clothes right here, which is overloaded. All my clothes can't even fit in there, but you know, the majority is there. Then here's the horrible part. The side here, all this stuff, and this bottom part. Sorry, y'all, the door. I got a little shoe hanger deal on the door. But anyways, over here, the bottom. This is what I'm talking about here. The floor. I can't walk in because I got my stuff thrown all over the place. Suitcase, shoes, bags with some hair in it. Yeah. So I have to organize pretty much this little center spot right here. Right there. So I can walk in there and step in there and get my clothes. Y'all, this is bad. So let me start, y'all. I guess I'll be back when I get it together. All right.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Be back, y'all. This is crazy. All right, you guys, are you ready to see my clean closet? Like, it's really clean. It ain't clean like that, but I could walk in it now and get to my clothes. So let's check it out, y'all. All right, you guys, so it is a few days later, but I am editing this video now, and I realized that I accidentally deleted the clip of inside the closet. So let me re-film that part and show y'all. This is the inside. It's still cluttered, it's crap, but the whole point was to clear out enough room so I could walk inside of the closet to get to my clothes. And there's a little area now where I could walk inside. So let's check it out. And y'all check out my little shoe rack too. Let's look at it, y'all. All right, y'all, here is the closet. So there's my little shoe rack that I put my shoes on. I put the shoes that I mostly wear at the top. As you can see, the second little shelf, I put shoes that I don't really wear that often. And then at the bottom, I put some little booty shoes, my little booty heels. So here's the area I could finally walk into it, y'all. I could finally walk into the closet. Yeah. I can walk in here, y'all, and get to my clothes. Yes, I could pick my clothes out. Yeah. So yeah, I can reach my clothes now, y'all. There's my little wig, my purple wig, y'all. It's a mess. So I can step in. Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. All right, so that's it, y'all. That's the closet. There's my little area. Got it.